Hi guys, I'm Brinda from McCoy. McCoy means something that is genuine, original and not copied from anywhere. Welcome to the place where we unbox a wide range of products from India's largest manufacturers of home appliances. McCoy, a promise of happiness. At McCoy, we have an appliance that suits the mood for every room and every need. And today we are going to bring to you a stunning home appliance that will keep you cool. The McCoy Jet Series Air Cooler. Now we will show you how to use the cooler. It's fairly simple to use the cooler. Just take it out of the packaging and place it in an open space. As coolers work by taking in the air from the surrounding, cool it and throw it into the air. This cooler comes in 4 variants. 54 litres, 36 litres, 18 litres and 12 litres. Now that you have purchased this cooler, let me show you how to install and use it. First step is to fill water. You can fill water through the water inlet. You can also add ice for better cooling during peak summers. You can always keep an eye at the water level inside the cooler with this water level indicator. If you accidentally fill more water, it will go out through the overflow leakage over here. Now that you have filled the water in the cooler, you can move it easily to the room of your choice with the help of these 4 sturdy caster wheels. Now you can place this cooler near you with this 1.8 meter long wire. Now let me show you how to turn on the cooler and use its function. This cooler comes with a powerful but economical double ball bearing motor, which unlike its competitors will never rust or jam. Because of double ball bearing, your motor will have a long and healthy life, which will also reduce the noise of the motor. This cooler comes in 3 variable speeds: high, medium and low, as shown over here. Now the second knob you see over here, we can turn on the swing function. The second switch is of cool. When you turn this on, the swing function goes off and the pump motor of the cooler starts. The pump motor will suck the water that you have filled into the tank. It will transfer this water to the honeycomb pads, which is the cooling medium, which will evenly distribute water through its unique distribution tray. The third function is swing and cool. In this function, the lowers and the pump motor will work simultaneously. With swing and cool function on, the room will cool evenly. If you purchase the remote model of the same cooler, it will look like this. This is the remote that will come along with it. The look and layout of the remote may vary. This is the remote. The red button turns on the cooler. This is the cool button, the speed button, the swing button and the timer. These coolers run at the operating cost of a fan. The body of the cooler is made of high-strength engineering plastic, which makes it durable in any season. At its maximum speed, the cooler can throw air at a distance of more than 30 feet. So even if you are at a distance, be rest assured you will be cooled. Now that you have learned to install and operate the cooler, let me show you few points with which you can increase the life and efficiency of the cooler yourself. Let's have a look at the honeycomb cooling medium. So what the honeycomb cooling medium does is it converts the hot dry air from the outside into cool moist air by passing it through the honeycomb cooling medium. These honeycomb pads are easy to clean and maintain. They can easily be taken out and cleaned by using a brush or with water spray to ensure that all the dust particles are removed. It is always advisable to drain the remaining water after every use. To drain the water, you can simply pull the drain plug as shown over here. This is a truly powerful cooler which comes with 1-year warranty to keep you and your loved ones cool during the hot summer. For more instructions, you can go through the user manual given to you along with the cooler. Also, McCoy is the first company in India to have QR code demo videos attached to its packaging. Do check out our wide range of products available on Amazon and Flipkart. If you have any queries or feedback related to the product, please do not hesitate to leave us a comment below. You can also mail us at customercare@mccoyindia.in. Or you can call us on our toll-free number 1800-220276 for any queries. Thanks for watching this video guys. We hope this video gave you some insight on your product. Do like, share and subscribe to our page. We will see you with another stunning product in our next video. Have a great day from all of us at McCoy. A promise of happiness.